She is both talented and humble. She is both talented and humble. I like neither coffee nor tea. I like neither coffee nor tea. The trip was both fun and relaxing. The trip was both fun and relaxing. He is not only smart but also funny. He is not only smart but also funny. I bought both a house and a car. I bought both a house and a car. He is neither happy nor sad. He is neither happy nor sad. You can either walk or take a bus. You can either walk or take a bus. I will either call or text you. I will either call or text you. The soup was so hot that I burned my tongue. The soup was so hot that I burned my tongue. We can either eat here or go out. We can either eat here or go out. She can either come today or tomorrow. She can either come today or tomorrow. You can either stay or leave. You can either stay or leave. We have neither time nor money. We have neither time nor money. She not only sings but also dances. She not only sings but also dances. She was so happy that she cried. She was so happy that she cried. The food is neither good nor bad. The food is neither good nor bad. He ran so fast that he won the race. He ran so fast that he won the race. The music was so loud that we couldn't talk. The music was so loud that we couldn't talk. I'll either eat now or later. I'll either eat now or later. He can either work from home or the office. He can either work from home or the office. I like neither cats nor dogs. I like neither cats nor dogs. He is not only strong but also fast. He is not only strong but also fast. The meal was not only tasty but also healthy. The meal was not only tasty but also healthy. She loves both chocolate and vanilla. She loves both chocolate and vanilla. She can either wear a dress or pants. She can either wear a dress or pants. I will either cook dinner or order in. I will either cook dinner or order in. He can either play the piano or the guitar. He can either play the piano or the guitar. I neither smoke nor drink. I neither smoke nor drink. He has neither a car nor a bike. He has neither a car nor a bike. We are neither rich nor poor. We are neither rich nor poor. She is neither tired nor hungry. She is neither tired nor hungry. It was such a fun game that we played all day. It was such a fun game that we played all day. The food was such a delight that everyone asked for more. The food was such a delight that everyone asked for more. He can speak both French and German. He can speak both French and German. I'll either walk or take a taxi. I'll either walk or take a taxi. She can either paint or draw. She can either paint or draw. The weather is neither sunny nor rainy. The weather is neither sunny nor rainy. She is not only creative but also hardworking. She is not only creative but also hardworking. I enjoy both jogging and cycling. I enjoy both jogging and cycling. The cat is neither big nor small. The cat is neither big nor small. I not only enjoy cooking but also baking. I not only enjoy cooking but also baking. She loves both spring and fall. She loves both spring and fall. The park is both clean and quiet. The park is both clean and quiet. I like neither spicy food nor bitter food. I like neither spicy food nor bitter food. He is neither happy nor content. He is neither happy nor content. The store sells not only clothes but also accessories. The store sells not only clothes but also accessories. It was such a cold day that we wore our coats. It was such a cold day that we wore our coats. She loves both city life and country life. She loves both city life and country life. The movie was so sad that I cried. The movie was so sad that I cried. She can either buy a new dress or borrow one. She can either buy a new dress or borrow one.